Excellent. You're awake. I'm the doctor. Nice to meet you. You got caught in a bit of a flying alien versus space vehicle accident. Got a nasty knock to the head, twisted the ankle, and the knee. Your hip didn't come out of it too well either. Basically, what I'm saying is don't move. I'm gonna get you home soon, but if you want to get there in one piece, I suggest you stay calm. Like, calmer than you've ever been before calm. In fact, we're all going to stay really calm. A bit of music should help keep things relaxed. Whoa! Sorry. Love that track. Great for cardio. No, not that one either. Ah, much better. I can feel both hearts slowing right down. Okay, now that we are all officially 100% mellow, there's someone I want you to meet. This is Volta. Volta's an Engarian. They're made of pure energy. It's like capturing the electricity inside a person, without the person, or the electricity. They're stable in their home galaxy, but anywhere else they can get a bit explodey, especially when they're upset. And when I say explodey, what I mean, worst case scenario, turn into a sort of black hole, create a gravitational vortex so strong, so powerful, and so immense that it can take down the entire galaxy. But none of that's going to happen because of all of that lovely Senkam that we're doing. Made it myself. The rig. Not Volta, obviously. It's the only way to contain all that energy. It's a bit wobbly, but it should last until we get Volta home. It's the only place he isn't in danger. Ah, absolutely gorgeous, isn't he? Volta's a bit scared. Not surprising when you run away from home, is it? Oh, I know, Volta. I understand you just wanted to discover, but it's not safe for you out here. Some people think you're dangerous and will try to hurt you. And your mum and dad are worried sick. They won't be angry with you, I promise. They just want you home. It's okay. I'll be with you.
This is the Special Positron Undercover Death Squad. Cooperate, or there will be serious consequences.
It's a Special Positron Undercover Death Squad. Spuds! They hunt down and destroy anyone or anything that threatens the stability of the universe. And insanely combustible thermodynamically charged balls of runaway energy that are so on the edge that they could take out this entire galaxy are definitely on the list. Walter, it's okay. I won't let them hurt you, I promise.
Search commencing.
Spuds will be searching for erratic and unstable energy waves. So be chill and work on your breathing.
Subject 1, clear. Subject 2, clear.
Volta, it's okay, but please, just stay calm.
A volatile life force has been detected on board this ship. You are in strict violation of Code 2759-2KJGD9. Please hand over all explosive items immediately, or your vehicle and its contents will be destroyed. You have 30 seconds to comply.
We need to get a shift on and get Volta home. I'll take his mind off things. I need you to fly the TARDIS.
20 seconds to comply.
This is my sonic screwdriver. Very valuable. Don't break it. It's on pilot settings. Use it to steer the TARDIS, and go like the clappers.
10 seconds to comply.
Try to lose his foot in the jump field.
Compliance denied. This is Spud Squad 352. Immediate backup required in pursuit of a runaway ship carrying an extremely volatile life force. Target is flying through the junk field of the outer galaxies. Target is a danger to the stability of the universe. Destroy on sight!
Do you want to learn? Great. Copy me. Breathe in.
Fleeing is futile.
Hail?
This is your final warning.
And...
Stop your ship, comply, and hand over the unstable life force for termination.
And breathe. Very good. You're getting the hang of this. That's it. That's Volta's planet. We're nearly there. Just a little bit closer. Not ideal.
Stasis clamps deployed.
Right, turn my lights back on.
Breach of code 27592KJ-GD9 carries severe punishment. Initiating destruction sequence.
We're stuck. Psychotic death squad's outside, an alien bomb inside. I've had karma days.
"90 seconds until destruction."
Try to calm Volta down. There must be something in here. It's lost property from a very, very fun party I had a long time ago. But that's another story. Something might work. But don't touch him, he'll incinerate you. Use the sonic. Point it at an object and lift it. I'll buy us some time.
"60 seconds until destruction."
Twist this. Oh. Pull that. Turn this.
30 seconds until destruction.
Oi, be nice. This should work.
10 seconds until destruction.
I know. Brace yourself! The old electromagnetic string. Admit it. I'm pretty good, right? The spuds are officially toast. Oh, Mash, you know why. Point is, they can't catch us now. And here we are. Volta's home galaxy. Only thing now is to find some decent parking. Right, Volta? Volta! The EMP. What was I thinking? It must have interacted with the internal grid. I've just sent him critical. We need to get him out of the TARDIS before he loses control. Hang on. You out. It's broken. The EMP must have fried the circuits. He's trapped. And if he's trapped, he can't get outside to stabilize. And if he can't stabilize...
You remember that sort of black hole I mentioned?
There it is! Hang on! The sonic! Use the sonic! Point it in the big orange button. It'll drain off the energy. You do that and I'll try to reverse the effects of the EMP. you go. One Hungarian back home, safe and sound. Easy. Let's check you found Mum and Dad. I told you, there's no place like home. Ah, Mum and Dad! Amazing. Well, that's one way to start the day. Right, time to get you home. Or maybe one more trip? What do you say?